character figure is fabulous. How do you take yourself looking that way?
No, because after Betty, di ba yung One More Chance talaga nagpapayat ako from One More Chance? Nung ginawa ko yung Betty, talagang hindi ako naging vain kasi sumusunod siya sa character. I didn't care if I was eating whatever, at if I was eating late at night. I didn't care kasi ganun yung character. Kung feeling ko na-inspire mo eh. With this movie that I'm doing right now, kailangan talaga yung Betty kasi namatayan ako ng asawa. Parang hindi ko naman yata ibigay ng justice kung malaking chicks ka tapos hindi ako kumakain sa TV. Siguro it's more on, siguro yung drive dun sa character. Mas, if I'm that serious about doing something, I'm gonna do everything para lang magbigay justice dun sa character because it's such a beautiful character. Kapag hindi mo nabigyan ng justice, parang sayang. So, yung right now, yung diet ko, where you ask me about the diet, little everything. But I don't eat carbs. And I don't eat pork and soup anymore. I only eat white meat. At saka, before I left for the States, ang kinakain ko lang, breakfast ko, fruits, gano'n. I start my day right. Para manghihinayang ako kapag pa-end na ng day, tapos kakain pa.
Nasabi mo na ganyan, every time you have a new character to play, talagang you put yourself to it, talagang nililive mo yung character. So, ganun ba talaga? Paano ka extreme yung character? You have to really put yourself into that character,
yes.
ba?
Feel ko habang tumatagal mas nagmamature, siguro nung bata-bata ako, medyo hindi pa ako nag-care or hindi ko pa na-discover yung essence nun, yung kumbaga parang method acting. Yung character sobrang intense, namatayin siya ng asawa, kumbaga pinagbagsakan siya ng langit at lupa. It's such a beautiful story. Yung sumulat, in fact, si Carmi and si Vanessa, they're the ones who wrote One More Chance. You Changed My Life and Very Special Love. So they're really good. And the love story. So, yeah, but very, very intense. It's very mature. Mas mature pa nga sabi ni Sam.
Anong title ng movie niya?
And I Love You So.
And I Love You So with Yolo Pascual.
No, with Sam Milby, Derek Ramsey. And it's gonna be directed by Direk Laurenti Jogi. It's his comeback sa film and directing.
What is your dream extreme character talaga? Yung ano yung dinidream mo na pinapangarap na character na parang extreme yung extreme character na gusto mo na dream mong i-play?
Drug addict.
Drug addict?
Yeah, because it represents the reality. I mean, there are a lot of addicts sa Pilipinas, kahit sa ibang bansa, and it's an existing problem na pinagsisimulan ng marami pang mas problema. And I would like to do something na makakatulong sa society na would inspire youth and a lot of people. Na feeling ko kung gagawa ko ng offbeat and very dark character, I would see to it na meron pa ring resolution kasi feeling ko it's our job as actors and as artists to represent the truth and represent the resolution to that truth. So, parang yun. Siguro yun yung just to help the society para makapag-contribute man lang sa mundo.
Ang mga celebrities ngayon are into worthwhile causes. Ikaw, tulad ng mga yung mga for kids, mga ganun. So, ikaw, ano ba yung mga yung cause mo ngayon? Meron ka bang...
Ever since I was 18, it was my birthday, I'm into helping PREDA. Sila yung mga kids na naging mothers ng drugs, mga rape kids. Sila yung that's in Subic.
Tapos ako, isa lang dito, tatayo ko siya para